Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR22. It says a school collects 52,000 books at the end of the year. If 14% are unusable, how many books cannot be reused? Okay, percent is always out of 100. That means 14% tells you 14 out of every 100 books are unusable. Or in other words, can't be used. So I don't know how many out of 52,000 can't be used, but I do know 14 out of every 100 can't be used. So if I look here, I say, how do I get from 100 to 52,000? Because if I know that, that's what I'll multiply by 14. So 100, I'm going to write it this way, because some of you might find this easier. So 14 out of 100 is how many out of 52,000? Well, I'll tell you, if you take 100 and multiply by 520, and I know that because 1 times 52 is 52, then I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 100 times 520 is 52,000. So in order to figure out how many unusable books, I just have to multiply 14 by 520. Let's go ahead and long multiply. 520 times 14. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. Put down a 0 placeholder. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Add them up. 0, 8, 2, 7. That tells me that 7,280 books are unusable. 7,280 books are unusable. And I got that by knowing 14% means 14 out of every 100 books are unusable. How many out of 52,000? I then know something about both denominators. So I took 100 times 520 to get me to 52,000. If I multiply my denominator by 520, I must also multiply my numerator by 520. Hope that helps.